We wake up to the scream of an alarm, rush through congested traffic, and spend the best hours of our day staring at glowing screens or lifting heavy loads. It feels like we're constantly on the move. But does this endless hustle make us the most hard-working creatures on the planet? Today, we're going to dive deep into the animal kingdom to find out. The answer might just change the way you see your night. When you picture the wild, you probably imagine a constant, brutal struggle for survival. But the reality of animal behavior is often far more relaxed. Let's start with the lion, the so-called king of the jungle. You'd think a king would have a packed schedule, right? Well, lions spend a staggering 16 to 20 hours every single day just sleeping or resting. Their work, the hunt, is a short, intense burst of energy that lasts just a few minutes. After that, it's straight back to napping. It's a life of extreme sprinting, followed by extreme lounging. Then you have the masters of energy conservation, like the anaconda. These massive snakes take working smart, not hard, to a whole new level. After devouring one large meal, an anaconda can go for weeks, sometimes even months, without moving more than a few feet. Imagine finishing a big project and then taking a 2-month vacation. That's the anaconda lifestyle. Even the birds we see flitting about aren't as busy as they seem. Sure, their migrations are incredible feats of endurance, but their daily lives are mostly spent singing to claim territory or finding just enough food to get by. For most mammals and reptiles, working extra isn't a badge of honor. It's a foolish waste of precious calories. Survival is about efficiency, not effort. However, there is one group in the animal kingdom that makes even the most caffeinated office worker look like a slacker. I'm talking about invertebrates. Step into the world of an ant colony, and you'll find a city that truly never sleeps. Worker ants are active almost 24 hours a day. They don't get weekends, they don't take holidays. They forage for food, build the nest, and care for the young until they literally drop dead from exhaustion. Similarly, during the busy honey season, a worker bee will fly relentlessly, pollinating flowers and collecting nectar until her wings are so tattered and worn out that she can no longer fly. Their work ethic is absolute. But here's the crucial difference, the one that defines our human experience. We carry a biological and psychological burden that insects simply don't. We have a complex nervous system that processes stress, anxiety, exhaustion, and that nagging feeling of existential dread. An ant doesn't lie awake at night worrying about its mortgage. A bee doesn't wonder if its career collecting pollen is truly fulfilling. They operate on instinct, a biological program that drives them forward without the weight of consciousness. This brings us to the core of our daily grind. While insects might outwork us in sheer hours, humans are unique. We are perhaps the only species that combines relentless, structured labor with the deep emotional and mental capacity to feel the full weight of that effort. It's not just the 8 hours at the office, it's the commute, the deadlines, the social pressures, and the constant internal monologue questioning it all. We don't just work to survive, we grapple with the meaning of our work. So, as we stand on the cusp of a new technological era, with AI and automation poised to reshape our world, it begs the question, will our roles change? Will technology finally grant us the leisure of the lion? Or will we, like the ants, simply find new tunnels to dig and new ways to stay busy? What do you think the future of work looks like for humanity? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the nature of work, make sure to subscribe for more.